Across the globe, from the icy poles to the lush rainforests, our planet is facing a challenge of unprecedented scale. Climate change, driven by human activity, is altering the delicate balance of nature, threatening ecosystems and the very future of life as we know it. But there is hope. Just as we humans have contributed to this crisis, we have the power to mitigate its effects and forge a more sustainable path forward. In this video, we will explore 5 simple yet impactful ways you can embrace sustainable living and become a steward of our planet. Our journey towards a sustainable existence begins with a fundamental principle: minimizing waste. The mantra of reduce, reuse, recycle is not merely a catchy slogan, but a call to action, a way of life that can have profound effects. Think of the packaging that encases our food, our electronics, our everyday items. By consciously choosing products with minimal packaging, we take the first step in reducing our footprint. And before relegating an item to the bin, consider its potential for a second life. Can that glass jar be repurposed for storage? Might that old t-shirt find new purpose as a cleaning rag? Recycling, the final pillar of this crucial trio, is the process of transforming waste materials into reusable objects, reducing the need to extract new resources. Embracing these 3 R's, reduce, reuse, recycle, is about resource management, respecting the finite resources of our planet and ensuring their availability for generations to come. Our need to move, to travel, to connect is undeniable. But the way we choose to traverse our world has a significant impact on the environment. Imagine a world where bicycles glide silently through the streets, where buses and trains hum with the energy of collective transit, where walking becomes not just a means of getting from A to B, but a chance to connect with our surroundings. Walking and cycling are not just eco-friendly. They are invigorating, promoting physical and mental well-being. Public transportation too offers a chance to reduce our individual carbon footprints while fostering a sense of community. By reimagining our relationship with transportation, by embracing greener alternatives, we not only reduce our impact on the planet, but also enhance our own well-being and the vibrancy of our communities. Chapter 3. Energy efficiency, small changes, big impact. Our homes, those havens of comfort and security, are often unknowingly energy hungry, but within our homes lies the potential for significant energy savings. Look for the Energy Star label when purchasing appliances. Simple actions can make a substantial difference. Turn off lights when you leave a room. Unplug devices when not in use. Energy-efficient homes reduce environmental impact and save money. Chapter 4. Water conservation. Every drop counts. Water, the lifeblood of our planet, is a precious resource essential for all life. Conserving water is about respect, recognizing its value and using it wisely. Address leaks promptly. A dripping faucet may seem insignificant, but those wasted drops add up. Shorten your showers and turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. Water your garden in the early morning or evening to minimize evaporation. By adopting water-saving practices, we ensure this vital resource for future generations. Chapter 5. Plant-based diets, nourishing ourselves and the planet. Our dietary choices have a profound impact on the planet. The production of meat, particularly beef, requires vast amounts of land, water, and energy, contributing significantly to greenhouse gas emissions. Shifting towards a more plant-based diet is one of the most effective ways to reduce our environmental footprint. Meatless Mondays, vegan Thursdays. These are not just trendy hashtags, but powerful statements of intent, demonstrating a commitment to consuming food in a way that benefits both our health and the planet. Explore the world of legumes, lentils, and beans. Protein-packed alternatives to meat that are not only delicious but also environmentally friendly. A plant-based diet is not about deprivation. It's about exploration, about discovering new culinary horizons while embracing a lifestyle that aligns with our values. As we've seen, the path to a sustainable future is paved with individual actions, small changes in our daily lives that, when combined, can create a ripple effect of positive change. Every recycled can, every mile cycled, every drop of water saved brings us closer to a healthier planet. Remember, sustainability is not a destination, but a journey. a continuous process of learning, adapting and striving to live in greater harmony with the natural world. Let's embrace the challenge of sustainable living, not with a sense of burden, but with a spirit of hope and determination. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you next time.